In this video, I am going to show you how to set goal weights in MacroFactor. So if you don't have the application downloaded, make sure to go and download this from App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever phone you have. And if you have it, just go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, just go and create an account. Of course, the application is paid and you can get a 1 week free trial for $1 if you want to try it out. So here, once we open the application, you should find yourself in this dashboard like this. Of course, if it's your first time, once you create in your account, you'll set your goal automatically. But now let's say you already set your goal and you want to set a new goal. So to do so, you can go to the strategy tab here at the bottom right. If you are here, you can scroll down example to find here your goal at the moment. For us, we can just go and click on new goal here or new goal here at the top. It's both the same. So now we can set our new goal. Click on set new goal. You'll have to choose the goal that you want. You want to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain weight. I'm just going to choose maintain weight, and I'm going to maintain like 70 kilograms. It might be on bar for you, or pounds, not bar. So here, as you can see, you'll find maintenance. You can find the target range and initial approach. So I'll just go, of course, read that if you want to, then click on done. Now you can go and set your new program depending on the new goal. You can choose like a coach program, collaborative, or manual program, totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to choose coach, and here basically answer the question depending on whatever you want. So for you, what's your preferred diet? For me, I'm just going to answer random questions depending, as you can see. I don't care like what's the answer. So once it's done with the program, they will create, as you can see, you can click on done, get started, go to the dashboard here, you'll be able to see now how much calories you need to eat each day, how much protein, how much fats, how much carbs, and how much remaining also. So of course you can add also your foods from here. Very simple. You can click on plus and you'll be able to add it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.